Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the project we're making today. Isn't it adorable? It's this lovely tag, as you can see here, with these lovely party puffins. So let's get started. I have a strip here of basic white that measures 2 inches wide. You can make it however long you want. It's 2 inches wide because we're going to put it into the fancy tag topper punch. And we just want to punch this out, so let's just put this in here. Don't do it on a metallic magnetic surface, that wouldn't be a good idea. So let's just feed it in. I don't know if you can see. There, feed it in, punch. I've got that lovely little topper now. Get rid of these bits. Okay, and then we're going to stick this into our Stamparatus. And we're going to put a magnet down, and as I said, these are the party puffins we're going to use. We're going to use the 3 puffins, so let's arrange them how we want them. Something like that, and then we'll have this one in the middle. Yeah, like that. And I put them in the Stamparatus so I can just stamp everything in one go. And we're going to stamp using Memento. I'm going to give it a really good ink up, but I'm expecting that I will have to re-stamp a few times to get a really deep image. Because my ink pad's not that wet. Needs to be re-inked, but I'm lazy. Okay, definitely going to have to re-ink. And then down, give it a bit of a helping hand, as I call it. Yeah. One more time for luck. Okay, so I switched the camera off because I've got the windows open and the cathedral clock started going, so I didn't want you to hear all the noise. So this is what we've got so far, our 3 puffins. Now I'm going to add a little bit of extra detail with these candles here. Now these candles come as one stamp, but yes, I have cut them apart and you can see they're perfectly fine. They're not damaged, they're not crying out in pain, they're perfectly fine. So you know, if you want to do this, don't be scared. I haven't damaged them at all, and I can put them back together if I want just them as one stamp, but I don't think so. So let's see where we're going to have some of our candles. Something like that for that one, and let me just give it a little clean so I can take it off the block and use the block again. So this is just a simple chamois I'm always using to clean up, and take that off the block, put this other one on the block, and then stamp with this. Where else do I want one? And now it's raining in Lincoln. Lovely. Well, I think actually that's going to do fine. So, I'm going to move that aside. Now you'll see here I didn't stamp very well, and all I'm going to do is take just a fine liner. You can use a black marker, you can use, and just do that. It'll be absolutely fine. So that's what we've got so far. So now we're going to do some fun stuff. We're going to do some colouring. I've got 3 markers here, and these are the Stampin' Right markers. And first one I'm going to use is Pumpkin Pie. And we're just going to be doing colouring in little bits. So let's do that now. I'm just going to colour in his beaks. I'm going to use the thicker end, it'll be easier. And these little tootsies. They're so cute. These are puffins, but every time I show them to my mother, she says penguins. So, you tell me, do you think they look like penguins or puffins? I don't know why she says penguins. I think because they're black and white. But there you go. Penguins, puffins, still cute. There are actually, as a demonstrator, I'm filming this in July. I've been able to see the new catalogue, and there are some lovely penguins. When this goes live, you'll be able to see them too, because you'll have had your copy of the catalogue. Or if you don't, then send me a message and I'll send one out to you. And there are some gorgeous penguins and some free penguin paper that you could earn as well, so do check it all out. So let's see, let's have some red in here. On his hat, or her hat. And let's add some colour to our candles. I'm just doing it on these sort of stripy candles. And I'm just trying to go not too fast so that I don't make too much of a mess. Okay. And back to our pumpkin pie. And I'm going to bring this colour into the candles as well. So it's not just in the penguins. Just felt to help to balance the whole composition out. So we'll see. There we go. I do like colouring in. It's so therapeutic. Just so much fun. And then we've got here our crushed curry. Our crushed curry, and we're going to use crushed curry just for flames of our candles. And there. That's all we have so far. So we're just going to use some of the double stitched satin ribbon. I'm just going to take a little bit. Sorry for the noise. I'm just going to put, my ribbon is forever trying to escape its reel, but I sort of have it, all these little tabs to tuck it in. And we're just going to do very simply, feed this through, so make a double, feed it through the loop, and make a very simple tag there at the top. And there we have two pumpkin bookmarks. So what do you think? Love it, hate it? I think they'd be so cute as an extra, like in party bags, that kind of thing, or for someone who's a bookworm. It'd be lovely. Which is me. I'm definitely a bookworm. My house is exploding with books. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about this project, supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.